Okay guys, so we're back with another video. So Victor right now is siphoning the gas out of this blue jet ski, and the goal in this video is we're gonna get this one fired up and running good. So we're starting with getting some old gas out and putting some new in, so it doesn't look that bad, but it's been in there for at least since the fall, so he might have put fuel preserve in it or not. We just want to put some fresh stuff in there because that's the best thing to do.
Cause we gangster.
Yep. So let's get right into this video. Victor's sad that his next weekend's gonna be pretty boring. How come?
You're gonna be gone.
Yeah, I gotta go on family vacation, so
I'll complain about it.
I know, such a bummer. Such a bummer. But the ski here we're gonna get fixed up so we can sell for a good amount of money. So we had that green one you guys saw in the previous video. If you haven't seen that, go watch it. And that one we just got fired up with some fluid down the cylinders to show that the motor was good. And this one, our goal is to actually get it up and going real good so we could sell for a lot of money. That way, our whole goal behind this ski and the other one was that we bought them on that double trailer, and we're gonna sell both these skis for the price that we bought the skis and the trailer for, so we have the free double trailer. So we sold that green one for how much, Vic?
500 bucks?
Yep, 500 bucks. And so we bought the package deal with the trailer for 1,500. So we only owe 1,000 left on the double trailer. And so the goal is to sell this ski for 1,000 bucks running good. And then we'll be in the trailer $0. Right, bud?
Yep, I think that's it.
Yep, and we just siphoned out all the gas. What do you say? That's like 7-8 gallons?
Yeah, about.
That's crazy. Let's move on and fill her up with some fresh stuff. Gassing her up. Yup. So we got some premium 95 going in it. So she's gonna run pretty nice.
110 meth?
Yep.
110 methanol?
Yep. That 115 stuff is what we're gonna move to next. The 110's for braking. You filming? Saw me?
You.
Okay, so we got some 2-cycle fuel. They're just gonna pour just a little into the carb. We're not gonna check for a spark or any of that because
That could, you know,
maybe
shoot a flame back up in there. Oh.
I got a fire extinguisher. So,
okay.
Yeah, so this thing, he seemed pretty positive that it would fire up and run pretty easy. So we're just gonna pour some gas into the carb. We got fresh gas in there. We have the fuel on, and we got a battery hooked up. So yeah, let's see if she'll crank and fire up with that gas on the carb, and then start using gas from there and just run. So there goes nothing.
I don't want to stand.
Oh, you have the key in?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't want to stand behind it.
Yep. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Bruh, what? Bruh, what?
That's funny.
Why is my bolt battery acting dead? I mean, we have been using it a lot. We'll just hook it up to the Mustang.
Triple hook it up?
You. Oh. Well, that's not ideal. I thought it would fire up. Well, now I got a question. Do we have spark? Because I know we got fuel.
Mm-hmm.
What if we don't got compression?
Well, there's that too.
I hope we have spark. So then I'll just dump more gas down into it.
It's not on there. It looked like it slid up.
Flip.
Okay, I hear it now. Can we film that?
Yup. We got good spark.
Ain't that something?
Just for the sake of it. We'll try this one.
Yeah, I think it looks like it's blown up.
What?
Spark plug looks trashed.
Maybe. That one seems pretty loose connection. Yep, spark. We don't know if the plugs are good yet. But oh, there's a choke. Let's try it with choke. That's so sad.
Want to get a milkshake? I'm kind of want some ice cream.
Yep, milkshake break. So we are back from our little milkshake run. We got the Mustang sitting over here. We just stole the battery out of it, and we're gonna use that to hook up to the jet ski for when we try and get this thing fired up. Okay, so I just poured some liquid fuel, some 50,
liquid boom.
51 mix down to the cylinders, and we know we have spark, at least coming from the plug wires, so I don't see why she shouldn't start, except for the fact that I don't have it hooked up to a battery yet. Okay, we got power, baby. If it doesn't start, we got some big problems on our hand. There we go. I don't know how they're supposed to sound, but I don't like the way that one sounds. But I mean, it runs.
Back here is rattling.
There's a rattle or something from somewhere. I just don't know where.
Mine rattles really bad back there.
But you know how it's supposed to brat more? Well, hey, it held an idle, so we're getting gas to the carb, and I bet it will fire up now. You ready? Well, she runs.
Just need a quick jump start.
Yeah. So yeah, heck yeah. That's a good sign. And then I guess I'm gonna listen to some videos of how these things should sound, or you guys can let me know what you think. It might be. It sounds iffy. I'll say that. It does sound iffy. But what? Run until she dies? Sell it how it is. Well, it still runs, right? I don't know. I'm happy that we got it running. I'm a little concerned with the sound though. Didn't sound like the other 700. Would you agree? Start it.
Oh, listen back to the video.
Yep. See how it sounds on video. But yeah, you guys let us know what you think. But I'm super happy that we got this one fired up, and now we got it running good. So yeah, I mean, I can't ask for much more. We're gonna take this battery out. It should be a newer battery, he said. There you go. And we're gonna throw it on the charger, see if we can get it to hold a charge after the boat battery's done. But yeah, super stoked that we got this thing fired up. I think we got some smoke in the corner. So after you guys saw those video clips of it running really rough, we went back through and I did a compression test. This cylinder right here has amazing compression. That's awesome. But this one doesn't. This one has like no compression. So we have a dead cylinder, which is kind of tragic. We're not going to get the full refund on our double trailer probably now with it having a bad cylinder, but we'll still probably be able to make a few hundred off of it selling it as it is, because I don't have time to do an engine rebuild on this. I got my other ski I want to do projects for and film. So this was just going to be maybe a quick way to get a double trailer for free, but now we're going to just have a discount on a double trailer. So we've already gotten $500 off the price, so we got a nice double trailer for $1,000. And whatever we sell this for, maybe $200, $300, or maybe $500 as is, will just be another discount to that trailer. So I'll let you know in the next video, but I'm going to get some photos of this thing and get it posted up so I can get it sold. But I'm about to head on vacation, so I'll probably do some filming then too. But yeah, that was our little project for tonight. Me and Victor just working on this ski to see if we could get her up and running and make a decent profit off of it. But I'm just gonna post her how she is and see what we get. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.